New smartphone is here, after months of leaks and speculation. HMD Global on Sunday introduced the smartphone at a press event in Barcelona on the sidelines of the Mobile World Congress 2019. Part of Google's Android One program, the Nokia 9 Preview's biggest highlight is its pentalens camera setup present on the back of the smartphone. The camera setup houses 3 monochrome and 2 RGB lenses, all with the same f1.82 aperture. Other key specifications of the phone include a 5.99-inch 2K screen, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, and 6 GB of RAM. Starting with the imaging capabilities of the phone, the Nokia 9 Preview's camera system has been developed in partnership with Light. HMD Global has also worked with Qualcomm and Google to optimize the camera setup to fully utilize the Snapdragon 845 SoC's power and work well Google's Photos app. The phone packs 5 rear cameras with Zeiss certified lenses, which are joined by 3 12-megapixel